how to enable and disable incognito mode on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application. Then from your bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now here you will see an option of turn on incognito. Simply tap on it in order to go incognito on your YouTube. Now here you can see I have turned on incognito mode. Now in order to disable it, the process is same. Just tap on your profile icon and then tap on turn off incognito. That will be the only button or only option when you tap on your profile icon when your incognito mode is enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.